Hello, this will save a life in the event of a heart attack when you're by yourself. Technique is coughing, and I'm going to give a demonstration. You take a deep breath and then try to expel it from your lungs. Cough like you have congestion in your chest. Here it goes. You should pull when you inhale to your stomach, then use your stomach to cough out. In the event that you believe you're having a heart attack, be sure to call 911 and do this technique. It will save your life.